Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy LinkedIn Premium. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And once you're in here, click on the URL box. Now type in linkedin.com. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and make sure that you're logged in. Now, once logged in, as you can see here at the top right, we have the Try Premium for free. All right. So just go ahead and click on it, or click on Try Premium right here at the left panel. All right. So I'm just going to click on it and wait for it to load. And now it says here, claim your 1 month free trial today. If you already claimed it, well, you're not going to have this specific promotion. All right. Now, if you want to try it, well, you'll be able to cancel it within 7 days. All right. Now, in here, as you can see, it says, which of the best that describes your primary goal for using Premium. For example, I'd use Premium for my personal goals. All right, just hit on next. Now it's just going to ask you how you like Premium to help. For example, job search with confidence and get hired. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and tick it all. All right. And once done, go ahead and hit on next. Now, it says here you are 2.6 more likely to get hired with Premium. What's key to your job search? See who's viewed my profile. See jobs where I'm top talent. And if you want to, you can go ahead and select it all. All right. Hit on next. What is the most important for you in developing your skills? So no, I'm just going to go ahead and select all. All right. And once done, I'm going to hit on next. Get 11 times more profile views on average. What are your top networking goals? Make it easier for others to contact me for new opportunities. I'm just going to click on it. Limited search access with advanced filters. All of it. Okay, stand out with profile customizations, drive engagement with a custom call to action. I'm going to hit on next. Are you interested in exploring LinkedIn products for yourself or for your team? I'm just going to go ahead and select in for myself and hit on next. It says here, reach up to 3.4 times more candidates with a Recruiter Lite. What are your top hiring goals? Now I'm going to select receive tailored candidate recommendations. Talent, search for top talent with 20 plus filters. Everything right here, including other. I'm going to hit on next. And here, just go ahead and scroll down and select whichever is necessary. All right. So for example, I'm going to choose career right here and get hired and get ahead. All right. See jobs where you'll be a top applicant based on your skills. Boost your skills of hearing back by marking your top choice jobs. Directly message hiring managers with 5 in-mail credits per month. All right. For example, I'm going to select this one. I'm just going to click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on redeem 1 month for 0. All right. 0 PHP or $0. And it says here, after your free month, pay as little as $689. So that will be converted to $12.36. All right. Now, if you just want to try it, just go ahead and click on redeem right here, and later on, just go ahead and cancel your free trial. Okay, just click on it and hit on individual, hit on confirm. Wait for it to load. Now I'm going to select the best value right here. And then here, just go ahead and select your preferred payment method. All right, for example, credit or debit card right here, put in the information. Or if you have PayPal, go ahead and proceed to connect with PayPal. And once it's connected, go ahead and the right panel and click on Try Now 0. All right, click on it, and you're good. Well, I hope this video helps in the next one.